another program for the stepper motor for taking one complete rotation. See this, it will take one rotation only. If I press the button, it will take one rotation. It will stop here. This is the setup, and this is the PLC 14SS2 transistor type, and this is I am using the switches, and if I press switch, it will rotate one complete rotation. See this, you can also see on this laptop online, but I am showing this actual. So now it is rotating clockwise. I will show you it will rotate anti-clockwise. Same at the same place it will return. See this, it will return same place.